realities of playing the violin. Your progress does not happen overnight. And even, you might not even feel it for months, no? So kung ikaw yung tumutugtog, ikaw yung nagpa-practice, and masipag ka, mararamdaman mo yung paggaling mo, hindi agad yan, no? Hindi mo agad mafe-feel na you're getting better. But as time passes, you'll just wake up and realize na, oh, ang galing ko na pala, marunong na pala akong tumugtog, or mas maganda na yung quality ng sound ko. And you are not going to be the one who will notice it first, no? Siguro yung mga colleagues mo, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, mararamdaman niya. It's the same as losing weight, diba? Parang at first wala ka nakikitang progress, you don't see yourself getting better, but bigla nang dadating sa point na, oh, parang iba na ako, iba na yung playing ko, magiging iba na yung quality ng sound na nagagawa ko. And that feeling is what you want to achieve. So just keep grinding, keep practicing, keep attending to your lessons, keep doing what you need to do, and in the long run it will pay off. So kailangan talaga hindi ka tumitingin agad dun sa sa results, no? It's more of the process, enjoying that process of getting better, doing things that are quite hard, no? Sa una mahirap, pero at the end of the day, pag nasanay ka na, naging normal na sa'yo yun, that's where the transformation or the changes happen. It doesn't happen overnight. It might take you months, even years for some, no, depending on your pace. But at the end of the day, if you are consistent in practicing, attending lessons, and understanding your craft, you will get to where you need to be. Kailangan lang ng konting tiyaga, and put your head down and do the work. Follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.